hit the snooze button, you might be late for school.
Clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is an analog clock. This is a radio. 有一个跟一个不一样。
Yeah, that's for the wall. And then this is the alarm clock.
Alarm clock. Don't hit the snooze button. You might be late for work. Don't hit the snooze button. You might be late for school.
That's why you can hear the music.
Those are speakers. See?
Yeah.
Blow dry your hair. Or you can go to the hairdresser. Blow out.
Look over there.
Hair dryer. You can blow dry your hair.
What color is your hair dryer?
Pink.
Really?
This one.
Just like that?
Yeah. I got a haircut 2 weeks ago. The hairstyler gave me a wash and a trim.
Hair dryer.
This.
It's just a screen.
Monitor. The game console. Mario. Kirby. Luigi. This is Zelda. Donkey Kong.
Oh!
Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch.
You have to pre-order it.
Pre-order. Okay, Mom. This is a feeding room. You can try the clothes on.
You want to try it on?
No. You can try on new clothes. Indoor slippers. Outdoor slippers. Sneakers.
Like running, for running? And there are different kinds.
These are flip-flops. Underwear. Boxers. Underwear. Undergarments. Boxers. Undergarments. Underwear. Briefs.
And then we have a different kind.
Panty.
In British English, they call underwear pants.
Bikini. Lingerie.
Like this.
Who is crying?
A baby.
Sports bra.
What is it?
Diapers.
Which brand do you use?
Tissue. That is paper towel. Napkin. Tissue. Napkin.
Oh, over there!
Toilet paper. This is a healthy beauty set. Personal hygiene buckets. We can get household items by cleaning detergent. By cleaning detergent. This is bleach. You must wear gloves to protect your hands. Softener. Make center clothes warm. Toothpaste. This is mouthwash. Remember, don't forget to floss. You might get cavities. You might get cavities.
What is this? Shampoo.
Adidas. Adidas.
Adidas?
Adidas.
What'd you say this is?
Adidas. Shower gel. Shampoo. Conditioner. Razor.
And you can change the blade.
These are dental floss.
How many times do you brush your teeth every day?
8.
Oh, you brush your teeth at 8?
Yeah. I'm going to the first floor. I'm going downstairs.